Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are well. It's our mathematics class and in today's video we will start unit number 6, ratio and proportion. First of all, we have to learn that what is ratio and proportion. Definition of ratio: the relation which one quantity bears to another quantity of same kind is called ratio. Or in other words, you can say that a ratio is the comparison of two numbers or quantity of same kind. For example, 10 centimeter ratio 100 centimeter, 5 years ratio 15 years, 12 girls ratio 4 boys. We can compare all the ratios because all the ratios are in same kind. Now, what is proportion? Proportion is an equation where two ratios are equal to each other. For example, 14 ratio 28 is equal to 1 ratio 2. We got 1 ratio 2 by cancel out 14 ratio 28 by 14. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28. 1 ratio 2 is the lowest term of 14 ratio 28. That's why both ratios are equal. 10 ratio 12 is equals to 5 ratio 6. 10 and 12 are divisible by 2. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. Again 5 and 6 is the lowest term of 10 ratio 12. Last one is 15 months ratio 21 months is equals to 5 months ratio 7 months. I've cancelled out 15 ratio 21 by 3 to get the lowest term. So 5 3s are 3 5s are 15. Sorry. Three 5s are 15 and 3 7s are 21. So 5 months ratio 7 month is the lowest term of 15 month ratio 21 month. That's why these ratios are equal to each other. Now the ways to write ratios. The first one is write ratio with colon sign, which we have learned in our previous slides. 1 ratio 2. Second way is write ratio using word 2. For example, 8 is to 4. And the third way is write ratio in a fraction. For example, 5 upon 10. These are 3 ways to write ratio. Now let's solve exercise 6.1. Question number 1 is find the ratio of the following: rupees 15 and rupees 20. We have to find the ratio between rupees 15 and rupees 20. First we write the solution and then we copy the question as it is. Or we can write it as in a fraction, rupees 15 ratio rupees 20. Now let's solve. 15 ratio 20, rupees 15 ratio rupees 20 will reduce in lowest term, and we have got rupees 3 ratio rupees 4. So they will be cancel out by 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. So we got 5 ratio 3 ratio 4. And when we write it in a fraction, so it will be cancelled out by 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. So we can solve the question in both ways, with a column sign and with a fraction. So rupees 15 divided by rupees upon rupees 20 is equals to rupees 3 upon rupees 4. Both ratios are same. Now question number 2, which is the weight of tomatoes is 25 gram and the weight of potatoes is 65 grams. We have to find the ratio. So first we write the solution and then weight of tomatoes ratio weight of potatoes. Weight of tomatoes is 25 grams and weight of potatoes is 65 grams. And when we will reduce it into the lowest term, it will be 5 grams ratio 13 grams. And how it will be 5 ratio 13? 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5, 1 carry. Now it's become 15, 5 3s are 15. So we got 5 ratio 13 is the answer.